Stocks fall early, but not dramatically, as we get an existing home sales number that had its third consecutive drop, and it hit its lowest level in the last 2 years. As I speak to you right now, I've got the Russell down 66 basis points. I've got the NASDAQ down 48 basis points, so just under 0.5%. The S&P is down just under 1%. The Dow's down about 1.25%. But coming off the lows, seems like there's a little bit of latent strength in the market. We'll have to see how that plays out. Kohl's continues the retail stock trend, falling over 7% after earnings. And that actually hurt the Dow more than anything, as you see all the Dow components down right now. Yields are lower again. We're looking at lower yields here, with the 30-year almost breaking 3%, sitting at about 301, with the 10-year at about 280 right now. The dollar is lower again after coming off yesterday's stabilizing rally. Commodities are now stabilized off of the sell-off of the dollar. The dollar is down against the euro, the yen, the pound, the Canadian dollar, the Aussie dollar, just weak on the whole. The dollar is now down 4 of the last 5 sessions if it were to close here today. As we look ahead, President Biden is speaking this afternoon, but over the next couple of days, you may want to pay more attention to his trip to Asia. He's leaving for Asia this afternoon. There could be some headlines coming out of there, some currency-based, inflation-based, supply chain-based headlines that might happen from this trip. We've also got Neil Kashkari speaking this afternoon, just adding to the absolute cornucopia of Fed speakers we've had this week. And since the Fed meeting, we've had just a bunch come out and talk hard on inflation. Our earnings after the close today, we've got Palo Alto Networks and more retail with Ross Stores. Tomorrow before the open, we get Deere & Company, Booz Allen Hamilton, and Foot Locker to add to that retail earnings picture. And data tonight, we get Japanese inflation. Tomorrow, we get UK retail sales and EU flash consumer confidence.